Hi everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is going to be a video on the Yves Saint Laurent Libre fragrance. So this is how big is this actually? I don't know. This, I was actually so lucky enough to be gifted a little PR package from Yves Saint Laurent. Like, are you kidding? YSL sent me products. No word of a lie. So excited. And I will definitely be doing more reviews on the rest of the items in here because there are some skincare. But I was lucky enough to receive this as well. So the Libre fragrance, the EDP version. So this is what the bottle looks like. Like, as a sample, so cute. Now I'm being super careful because the lid is off. It's one of the, like, I don't know what you would call that. Like, there's no sprayer on it. You just like drop it onto your skin. So, and it's really hard to get the lid off without spilling it everywhere. But I love that it's literally just a small version of the actual bottle you would get if you purchased it. So I want to read you a bit about this product as well. So it comes in 30, 50 and 90 ml bottles. So for 30 mls, this is on the Maya Australia website. So 30 mls is $109. 50 mls is $182 and 90 mls is $248. And it says, Libre, the freedom to live everything with excess. The perfume of a strong, bold, free woman experiencing her unique, empowered freedom. The first floral lavender, the tension between the burning sensuality of a Moroccan orange blossom and the boldness of a French lavender with a feminine twist. A singular trail like a breath of freedom, a couture sharp-angled bottle twisted by a luxury accessory detail. The iconic YSL Cassandra is freely bent and nailed into the glass like a jewel. Glamorous golden chains and asymmetrical black lacquered cap to top it off. So it also tells you, which is really exciting, where to put it. So they suggest the wrist, the inner elbow and the neck. So just to give you also a breakdown of the notes. So I always get this off the website called Fragrantica. I can never say it. Fragrantica. No idea. So top notes are lavender, mandarin orange, blackcurrant and petitgrain. Middle notes are lavender, orange blossom and jasmine. And base notes are Madagascar vanilla, musk, cedar and ambergris. So this really surprised me. This is such, I don't know, to be honest, I wouldn't have been drawn to this at all, but I am so glad. That's my dog. I have a bulldog, so he does make snorting noises. If you hear that throughout this video, I'm so sorry. He's like here sleeping. I wouldn't have tried this, but there is something in this fragrance that I am super drawn to. It is very feminine. It is very floral, but fruity, but fresh, but also like a dash of like deep, like a deep note as well. Like, I know it's very contradicting when I say all these notes and it's like it's fruity, fresh, but deep. But I really recommend smelling it. If you are looking for a new fragrance, this is totally different to anything that I have in my collection, but it's just so different. I would say the orange blossom and maybe the lavender come through the most. Now in saying that, if someone told me that those two were the strongest like notes that came through, I would immediately just like not even bother, because lavender is not like one of my favorite scents and I'm not really into orange that much. So I would just be like, nah, it's probably not for me. But I honestly recommend checking it out because it has surprised me so much. I have worn this a couple of times now Now, longevity, I can't stop smelling it. It really is so, so good. Longevity. Now, it could be different when you've got an actual spray bottle, but I mean, to be honest, what's inside of the bottle is exactly the same regardless if you're spraying it or not, I assume. This doesn't really last that long. I have definitely noticed that it's one of those fragrances that wear off, and if you want it to last all day, you're gonna have to bring it with you and reapply if you're like going out in the evening or, you know, whatever your situation is. I just don't find it lasts. Even on clothing, which, you know, most of my reviews will say clothing will just like, fragrances stick to clothing, but I can't really smell it. So yeah, if you're after longevity, this is probably not the fragrance for you. But yeah, I'm just so thrown by the smell. It's so, so amazing, and I'm just so excited I got to smell it. It is one of those fragrances where I have been complimented. So if you are after compliments, you probably will definitely appreciate this. And from what I've found, like telling people what it is, a lot of people haven't heard of it. So I think like YSL, the brand, is quite well known, but this Libre fragrance, I don't think it's like very well known. Well, from what I have, like the feedback I've received from people that haven't heard of it. But yeah, once I've told them, they have definitely gone, checked it out, and one person has actually purchased it. But yeah, I really, really, really love this. As I said, just longevity, it's not really there, but the scent itself, absolutely amazing. The dry down is quite similar to the opening notes as well. So just keep that in mind, that if you're one of these people that wait for fragrances to dry down to be different, this is not that. It's exactly the same the whole way through. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you guys so, so much for watching. As always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.